When watching your favorite YouTuber that is talking about print on demand, Redbubble included, you have probably heard the advice that you need to have 100 designs in your Redbubble shop to get sales. So the question is this a number based on experience or just a fictional number? In this video, I will answer this simple question. But before that, let me explain some basics. If you are looking to get your art out there and make some money while you are at it, then I'm sure you have heard of Redbubble. It is a site that literally prints whatever art you upload on t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, posters, and more. They have over 1 million artists from all around the world who are making their designs available for purchase at the site. Redbubble is the biggest print-on-demand platform that is free to join and use. It is a great marketplace for beginners to learn what designs are selling and to learn how to do proper keyword research. In my opinion, you should start uploading your designs on Redbubble. While it will not make you rich, you will learn a lot of skills here. So the question is, do you need to have 100 designs in your Redbubble shop to get sales? Absolutely not. There is no exact number as a milestone that will get you sales. However, you need to have a variety of designs in order to appeal to different people. This simply means more designs will attract more people, which can lead to more sales. With 10 designs, it is quite hard to attract potential buyers unless you have a large following on social media. But how many designs do you need to upload to get your first sale? In fact, there is no number that will answer this question. In a good niche, you can get a sale in a few days. In a bad, oversaturated niche, there will be no sales at all. First, choose a simple niche for beginners and do proper keyword research. After you find a good keyword, create a few designs around it. I always recommend creating 3 different designs around one targeted keyword. Make a simple text design with one color, then create a colorful text design, and the third should be the text design with an illustration. Give customers a choice and you might get sales. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, is a way to index your design listings for search engines like Google, Bing, Yandex, and more. This powerful technique will rank your design in search pages, image searches, and shopping sections. While time-consuming, with SEO you are targeting free, long-lasting traffic. You need to have your design stand out in the marketplace. And one way to do this is to have a large following on social media. It is easier to attract buyers when they are familiar with your branding, so it is important to be active on all of your social media platforms. A good practice is to create branded Pinterest and Instagram pages. In the beginning, focus only on one narrow niche, and after some time, add more niches. The key to success, and not only on Redbubble, is consistency. Make an uploading plan and stick to it. Upload frequently, at least weekly, and you should get rewarded by getting sales. Redbubble loves artists that are uploading fresh designs to their shops, and they are promoting such designers, more with Google Ads. When somebody says that you need to have 100 designs in Redbubble to get sales, he lies. You don't need so many designs to get sales, but the more designs you upload, the more potential sales you can get. And there is nothing more satisfying for artists than selling their art on a daily basis. In my opinion, you should create a plan where you upload at least 5 designs a week. With 100 designs, that should last you 5 months to reach this milestone. But I'm sure you can get your first sale within this time period. To be honest, having 100 designs in your shop means that you are serious with print on demand. It shows passion, dedication, hard work, and consistency. And these qualities are more important than the number of your designs on Redbubble. But still, I hope this video was helpful. And if yes, then like it, comment or subscribe. All your effort will be appreciated.